The role of compliance officers in property and casualty insurance is one of the most essential but often overlooked functions in the industry. Compliance officers ensure that insurers operate within legal and regulatory guidelines, protecting both the company and its policyholders from violations that could lead to fines, lawsuits, or reputational damage. But what exactly does a compliance officer do? How has this role evolved? And what does the future hold for professionals in this field? Let's break it all down. A day in the life of a compliance officer varies depending on the size of the insurer and the specific regulatory landscape they oversee. At its core, compliance work revolves around interpreting laws and regulations, ensuring internal policies align with those rules, and training employees on compliance requirements. A typical day might include reviewing new state insurance regulations, working with legal teams to update company policies, conducting audits to ensure underwriting and claims practices follow industry rules, and addressing potential compliance violations before they escalate. Compliance officers also play a crucial role in risk management, making sure that insurers do not engage in unfair practices or violate consumer protection laws. The importance of compliance officers has grown significantly over the years as the insurance industry has become more regulated. Historically, compliance was more of a back-office function focused on paperwork and reporting, but today's compliance officers are involved in strategic decision-making. They work closely with underwriting, claims, product development, and executive leadership to ensure regulatory compliance is built into every aspect of an insurer's operations. As governments introduce new laws and industry watchdogs become more aggressive, compliance officers have moved from being enforcers of rules to becoming proactive advisors, helping insurers navigate a complex and ever-changing regulatory landscape. People who work in compliance typically come from a variety of backgrounds. Many have experience in legal studies, risk management, finance, or business administration. Some enter the field from underwriting, claims, or audit roles, gaining first-hand experience with the operations they'll later be responsible for regulating. Others transition from regulatory agencies such as state insurance departments, bringing direct knowledge of laws and enforcement practices. Many insurers prefer candidates with certifications such as Certified Compliance and Ethics Professional, CCEP, or Associate in Insurance Regulatory Compliance, AIRC, which provides specialized knowledge of insurance regulations. Career growth in compliance offers several paths. Entry-level compliance analysts focus on reviewing policies, documentation, and reporting requirements. As professionals gain experience, they may advance to compliance managers, overseeing teams that monitor regulatory updates and ensure adherence across the company. Senior compliance officers or chief compliance officers take on broader responsibilities, advising executives on company-wide risk and regulatory strategies. From compliance, professionals may also transition into legal counsel, risk management, or regulatory affairs, offering various career directions for long-term growth. While compliance is a crucial function, it comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is keeping up with constantly changing regulations. Property and casualty insurance is governed at the state level in the United States, meaning compliance officers must stay updated on laws across multiple jurisdictions. This regulatory fragmentation can make it difficult for national insurers to maintain consistent practices across different states. Another challenge is the need for collaboration across departments. Compliance officers must work closely with legal, underwriting, claims, and product teams to implement policies that ensure regulatory adherence without stifling business innovation. Technology is playing an increasing role in compliance. Many insurers are leveraging AI-driven compliance monitoring tools, predictive analytics, and automated reporting systems to streamline compliance processes. These tools can help identify potential regulatory violations before they become major issues and allow compliance teams to focus on higher-level risk analysis. As technology evolves, compliance officers will need to become more tech-savvy, working with IT and data teams to integrate regulatory requirements into automated systems. The future of compliance in P&C insurance will likely see even greater emphasis on data security, consumer protection, and regulatory technology. As new risks emerge, such as climate-related insurance challenges, cyber threats, and AI-driven underwriting, compliance officers will need to adapt to evolving legal frameworks and ensure their companies remain compliant while also staying competitive. For those considering a career in compliance, it's a field that offers long-term stability opportunities for growth and increasing importance within the insurance industry. As regulations become more complex and the role of compliance expands, professionals with strong analytical skills, a deep understanding of regulatory frameworks, and the ability to collaborate across business units will be in high demand. If you're interested in law risk management or corporate governance, a career in compliance could be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you consider a career in insurance compliance? Stay tuned for more insights into the world of insurance and risk management.